In this video, you'll learn how to combine photos and text for videos using Higgsfield AI. By the end of this guide, you will have successfully created a video that integrates both visual and written elements seamlessly. Begin by navigating to the Higgsfield AI website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for the AI video generator and image generator by Higgsfield. Once the page loads, you will see a user-friendly interface designed for video and image creation. Next, locate and click on the image option. This is typically found prominently on the homepage. After you click, the interface will change to display image-related options, allowing you to proceed with your project. After that, click on the Create Image button. This action will prompt a new screen where you can start the process of uploading images and adding text to your video project. Once this appears, look for the Upload Image option and click on it. This will open a dialog box that allows you to select images from your device. Ensure that your images are of appropriate size and quality for the best results. Larger files may take longer to upload, depending on your internet speed. Now, click on the Prompt section. This is where you will input the text that will accompany your images in the video. Type in a description or a command such as Make Video with Text to guide the AI in generating your video. Next, you will need to click on the Model option. The selection is crucial as it determines the underlying processing model for your video creation. After clicking, you will see various model options available. Then, click on Seedream 4.5. This model is specifically designed for generating high-quality imagery and video that combines text and visuals effectively. After selecting this model, the interface will confirm your choice. Following that, click on the Quality option. This will allow you to set the quality of your video output. The higher the quality, the larger the file size will be. So keep an eye on your available storage space if you're working with limited resources. Now, click on Select Quality. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting various quality settings. Choose the one that best fits your needs, keeping in mind that higher settings may require more processing time. After this, click on Aspect Ratio. This option allows you to choose the dimensions of your video frame. Select the aspect ratio that suits the platform where you plan to share the video, as different platforms have different requirements. Next, click on Batch Size. This setting determines how many images and text combinations will be processed at once. Adjust this according to your project needs, as a larger batch size may result in longer processing times. Finally, click on the Generate button to create your video. This action will initiate the processing. Depending on the complexity of your video and your internet speed, this may take several moments. A progress bar may appear, indicating the status of your video generation. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.